Hi, I'm Linda Mathias. I'm the principal at Columbia Middle School. Welcome to the 2021-22 school year. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video. I hope that it will be helpful for you and for your family and make the transition back to Columbia Middle School as seamless and easy as possible. I'll talk a little bit about the general schedule that students will have. I'll talk a little bit about the student handbook and where it's located, and then I'll talk a little bit about the dress code and where that's located. After that, you'll have a series of videos of staff that work here at Columbia Middle School. Your child may or may not have every person that has a video included here. But I wanted everyone that your child possibly could come in contact with, because we have shared staff such as social workers, school nurses, and CTE teachers, health and PE, art, drama. There's several personnel that is shared between all three schools and between the high school and middle school. So I thought it would be great for you and your child to at least have a name and a face to go go back to and refer to, and just help make things easier as you and your child return to Columbia Middle School August 23rd. I look forward to seeing you at that time. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to myself. Here at the middle school. You can email me, lmathias@tycomail.net, or you can call the school, and I'll be happy to talk with you. Again, wishing you well. Can't wait to see you and your child August 23rd. So each family was sent a copy of this schedule. It's called a general schedule. And it just shows where a student in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade would go daily. When students report to school, they will have breakfast in the cafeteria. The doors open at 7:30. So if they ride the bus, they'll get off the bus, they'll go in the cafeteria, they'll get their breakfast and eat their breakfast in there, as well as walkers and car riders. So all students will report to the cafeteria, which is a little different from this past school year. Then, depending on what grade level they're in, they may start out with health and PE or an exploratory, and then they'll just move throughout the day. At the end of the day is dismissal. And at that point in time, we'll dismiss students according to buses and car riders / walkers. So this is a general schedule. Your child will receive their individual schedule on their first day here at Columbia Middle School on August the 23rd. Next, I would like to talk about the student dress code. You can locate the student dress code along with other information regarding students and Columbia Middle School in our student handbook. The student handbook is located on the school website. You can locate it by going to the district website. At the top of the page, it will say schools. If you click on that, you can click on Columbia Middle School. And once you get to our web page, you would go under the link that says student. When you click on that, there'll be a drop-down menu, and you can select student handbook. If this handbook is not posted at the time of the release of this video, it will be posted by Friday, August the 20th. So if it's not there as you're looking at this video, it will be posted by Friday, August the 20th. This is a portion of the policy passed by the Terrell County Board of Education earlier in the month of August. This policy in its entirety can be found in the Columbia Middle School student handbook as well as on the district website. A couple of things that I just want to point out is that pants and jeans cannot have any holes, rips, tears, or resemblance of tears, rips, and holes. Leggings, you can wear leggings, but you have to have them worn under appropriate length dress, skirt, shorts, or skirts. And then if you look down at bullet 4, it does talk about the length of shorts, skirts, dresses, skirts. They must be no less than 4 inches above the top of the knee. This year you can wear solid sweatpants and athletic joggers. And also no bedroom shoes, and if you have a jacket with a hood on it, you are not to wear the hoods in the building. Matter of fact, no hats, no do-rags, no skull caps, bandana of any kind, hair rollers, sunglasses over the eyes, none of those are allowed unless you have a specific religious or medical reason that you would need to be wearing such items. Again, the entire policy can be found in the student handbook.
Hello, everyone. I'm Marcy Hassel, Columbia Middle School receptionist. I'm the first face that you will see when you enter into the middle school building. I'm also the first voice that you will hear if you call to the school. I am the person who will be in charge of your students' absentee notes, bus notes, early dismissal notes. I'm also the person who will receive payments for fees of any sort. Also, I would just like to tell you to please update your contact list as soon as you get a chance, if you have not done that already, so that there will be no problems with anyone other than yourself picking your child up during the school year. So, with all that being said, feel free to call me anytime at 252-796-0369. I'll be more than happy to help you with any questions that you have. So I look forward to working with you and your student this school year. Thank you.
All right, everyone. I am Sarah Fox. I am your school counselor. So let's take a look inside. So we're in the main hall, and you would come to the end to enter my office. And once here in the school counselor's office, students can access resources on study skills, getting along with other kids, dealing with just troubles and things that may happen throughout your middle school years. I'll be doing a lot more this year in your classrooms and small groups, and always kids can come and visit one-on-one. We come in, we close the door. This is a private, safe space. So at any time, anybody needs to see the school counselor, just let your teachers know or shoot me an email. And I will pull students and work with them. Parents as well, if I can help you get verifications of things you need for your families, help with enrollments, look for high school planning when you're in 8th grade. That'd be something that I'll help with, those transitions coming from 5th to 6th and then from 8th to 9th. So I look forward to seeing you all face to face, and welcome to the 21-22 school year. And sorry we couldn't do this open house in person, so look forward to seeing you.
Hello, my name is Ebony Littlejohn. I'm the school social worker for the district, which means I work at all 3 schools. I look forward to working with all the students this year. I know this year is a whole lot different, but I still plan on providing social emotional skills to the students. I'll be working with the JCPC program. I'll be providing individual and group counseling sessions. So if you all need anything, please feel free to let me know. I have a link on all 3 school pages where you can find my contact information and resources. I look forward to working with everyone. I hope everyone has a great and wonderful school year. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the new school year. My name is Miss Jasmine Sproul. I will be the social worker for all three schools, working with Miss Ebony Littlejohn. My office is stationed in the middle school. However, I will be working all schools, so you'll see me popping in and out. I look forward to meeting all of you. Stop into my office, speak. Let's get to know each other. I am excited about the school year. We are going to have an amazing school year, okay? First, I would like to give a little bit about myself. I am from Crestwood, North Carolina. Have lived here in Columbia for about almost 8 years. Worked at Interbanks Hotline. Some of you may know me from doing prevention programs like bullying, teen dating awareness, teaching about domestic violence, sexual assault. Some of you may know me from DSS. I work as a foster care social worker, adoption social worker, or just seeing me out in the community. Now I am working for your lovely school district. Welcome. Again, I went to Crestwood High School. Then I left there once I graduated Crestwood High School. I then went to Elizabeth City State University. And then I obtained my bachelor's in social work. A couple of years later, I went on to Capella University and obtained my master's degree in studying human behavior. Yes, and I am currently working on another master's degree. Okay, yes, education is important to me. I look forward to seeing all of you, meeting all of you. Let's be optimistic this school year. Let's have a great year. We know all the COVID stuff is going on, but we are going to have an amazing school year. I look forward to seeing everyone, meeting everyone. If I don't know you already, stop and come see me, and we are going to have a good year. Bye-bye.
Hi, Wildcats. I'm Mrs. Davenport, and this is your Library Media Center.
I can't wait to meet you and find out what your interests are. I'm here to help you with your research needs and reading engagement. So come and see me.
Under the sun.
Hey guys, we are your health and PE teachers.
I'm John J. Bowser.
I'm Sarah Hunting.
And we'll be middle school, high school PE and health teachers. We are excited for everyone to come back and ready for everybody to run around and play. Thank you.
Hey everybody, I'm John Beaumont. I'm the art teacher here at Columbia High School and Middle School, and my colleague here.
Hi, I'm Carolyn O'Kelly. I teach band, music, and drama over here at high school and middle school.
So we are the arts department. You'll find me in room 501. It's building 5. I'm in this big building all by myself across from the cafeteria. And if you need me, my extension's 237, or you can email me, jbeaumont@tycomail.net. We're looking forward to seeing you guys come in. And Miss O'Kelly's got some stuff to say.
I teach all of my classes over in the auditorium, which is all the way on the other side of campus, on the other side of the high school office. If you need to reach me, the extension to the auditorium is 269. My email address is cokelly, COKELLEY, @tycomail.net. And we are so excited to start this new school year with you. High schoolers, we will see you this coming Monday, and middle schoolers, we will see you the week after that. Have a great one.
It's going to be an awesome time. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Dawn White, and I teach health sciences at Columbia High School. I look forward to working with you all, and I hope you've had an excellent summer. I can't wait to see you on Monday and look forward to a wonderful year.
Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Booker. I'm going to be the 6th grade English teacher this year, and I'm just really excited to meet all of you, and I look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.
Hello, Wildcats. My name is Mrs. Harris, and I will be teaching 6th grade math this year. I'm so excited to make this transition with you. I've just moved here from Virginia, where I taught grades 2, 3, and 4. My husband, 2 sons, 2 dogs, and 1 bearded dragon arrived 2 weeks ago, and I'm looking forward to your suggestions on where we should explore first. As we make the transition to middle school together, I hope to inspire you to think outside of the box. Math is not always about your final answer. It's about sharing your ideas and your thinking. We will have a chance to share and discuss our thinking and find ways to apply what we are learning in the real world. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, and it's going to be an amazing year.
Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Mr. Graff, and this is my 14th year teaching social studies at Columbia Middle School. This year I'm super excited because I get to teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, so that's going to be really neat. After a couple of crazy years, I'm definitely excited to have you all sitting back in my classroom and getting to work with you and do some really neat and fun things. So I look forward to meeting you all on Monday. Enjoy your last weekend.
Hey there, Columbia Middle School. Most of you know me, but if you don't, I am Miss Council. I teach 7th and 8th grade ELA. This year I am an 8th grade home base. I pretty much have every child that I had last year in home base, so that's kind of cool. This is my 20th year of teaching. I'm also going to be doing after-school tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursdays so that you can go ahead and start planning for that. This year I've also taken on the role of AIG coordinator, so a lot of you will be meeting with me during WIN time to work on those standards and stuff. I'm just looking forward to a really good year. I just hope and pray that we can stay in the classroom together because that's always, the best times, good memories and great relationships. So anyways, just wanted to say my piece for open house. Get ready to work on a lot of vocabulary this year and to read. Last year we didn't really have the opportunity because we didn't have a library, but with a new librarian this year, I'm excited about that. So I will see you all on Monday morning.
Hello, my name is Amanda Peden. I am the 7th and 8th grade math teacher here at Columbia Middle School. I am also a 7th grade homeroom teacher. This is my second year here at Columbia Middle. I am looking forward to getting to know new faces and seeing a lot of familiar faces. I can't wait to see you all on campus next week.
Good afternoon. My name is Jeanette Collins. I am one of the EC teachers at Columbia Middle School.
Hi everyone, I am Ashley Sinyard. I'm an EC teacher here at Columbia Middle School. I look forward to having a great year.